folder. Now once this folder is open, first of all you will open the LabVIEW. Now make sure you have LabVIEW 2017 or any advanced version of LabVIEW. So you will be able to open this file. Okay. Now after this folder is extracted, you will open this LabVIEW project first of all. Now double click on this and it will open. Now this is the LabVIEW project that you need to open in the first step. Now after opening it, you see there are multiple files under my computer. So uh, this is the server VI and this is the client VI. The other three files are the global variables. This is the fluoride value global variable, this is the pH value global variable, and this is the supply tank global variable. Now first of all you will open the server VI, you will double click on it and this will open a server VI. This is the server VI, and you will double click on the client VI. So this is the client VI. Alright, now how you will use them? Now first of all you will run the server VI. Now you see the server VI is running. Now you will run the client VI. Now you can see that the 00 values are shown on the server VI and also on the client VI. No, nothing is updated. Why? Because we haven't started the process yet. The VIs are running, but the process is not start. So you will click on this button. Now you see, after we click this button, the process gets start and the values are updated on the graph of pH and fluoride. Now what's happening? First of all, the supply tank decreases from 100% to 90 to 30%, and when this is emptying, the supply tank outlet pump is on. After it get decreases up to 30%, the supply tank inlet pump turns on and dosing tank fills it. Right now, the same values are updated on the client VI as well. The supply tank is running, it is running over here. If the supply tank decreases, it decreases also on the client VI. And you can see the values of pH and the fluoride values are also the same. So to transfer those values from server to client, we have used global variables. Now if you click on the stop button, or if you click on this control, this process will get stopped after completing its one execution. So you see it is not running. Now if you click this stop button, it will stop the server VI, and if you click this stop button, this will stop the client VI. So this is all about the server and the client VI. Now we have this LabVIEW project. If you try to open this global variable, you will see there is an indicator in it and nothing else. Right? Defer decision. Same is here. There is an indicator, and same is here. You see an indicator. So these are showing the latest value that was written to them.